Hi everybody, it's Bernadette, Simply Be Art. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be doing a swiped bloom transfer technique. It's going to be the first time that I'm going to be attempting such a technique, and I'm so glad that you could join me for this one. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button, join my Fluid Art family, and let's enjoy some pause together. Take care everyone, stay well, bye for now. Let me show you my colors. I've got a yellow. I've also got a pink. I've got a red, a violet, and a green. I'm first going to lay down and do my design on a separate wood board. It's a wood round, and I've got it on a spinning table or a Lazy Susan or a spinner or a turntable. I don't know what you would like to call it. So I'm going to first prepare my design on the spinner, and then I'm going to transfer the design to the coaster. So you'll first see me doing this part, and then we're going to do a transfer. So this technique is called a bloom swipe transfer. So to do that, I've got a base paint. This is a regular house paint that I've thinned down with some water. I'm going to flood my wood board with the base color. So we're going to create a pattern on this wood board. Now I'm going to layer my colors, starting with the red. I'm going to use a palette knife, and I'm going to add some paint to the underside of my palette knife, and then I'm going to swipe. So the swiping is going to give us some cells and some lacing on top of those colors. So this is a lacing cell enhancer. That's the white. So I'm going to spread this over those colors. Right, I'm going to put that aside. There we go. Now let's see what we want to pick up. There we go. Pick that up. And now we spin. Awesome. Awesome. I'm loving that. Awesome. Just love that. Just love that. That's beautiful. Let's do another one. Just spreading the paint around the canvas. Let's pick, I'm going to pick this up. All right. Let's give this one a spin. That's looking good already. Not too much. Oh, love it. I'm loving it. Oh, heavens. That is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Oh, wow. That is just gorgeous. All right, let's put this aside. I'm going to clean up the surface and then I'm going to show you the final results. Thank you for watching, everyone. Take care, stay well. Bye for now.